As you can see, we are currently on the main page. To get to dual currency product, simply move your cursor towards the Finance tab under the main menu and click on dual currency product. Simple as that. Now that we're on the dual currency product page, there are several key components I need to elaborate on. At the top, we can see there is a BTC section as well as an ETH section. What this essentially means is that these are the two underlying assets that you can earn interest on. Depending on whichever asset that you hold, you can choose the correct section accordingly. Now back on the BTC section, we can see that the page is divided into invest in BTC and invest in USDT. What you need to understand is that the underlying asset is still the same, which is Bitcoin. However, the significant difference between the two divided areas is that when you invest in BTC, you'll earn interest in BTC when the market price doesn't exceed the linked reference price by the maturity date. When you invest in USDT, it's the exact opposite. You'll earn interest in USDT when the market price stays above the linked reference price by the maturity date. So there are a few things that we need to look out for when choosing a specific product that fits our risk appetite. One of which is the annualized rate of return, or APY for short. This number will keep changing based on the market price, and the percentage will only be finalized when we confirm our purchase. And then there's the linked reference price, aka the strike price, as well as the maturity date. In the case of invest in BTC, let's say we chose this particular product. On the maturity date, which is September the 3rd, Gate.io will compare the market price to the linked reference price to see whether to pay out interest in BTC or USDT. Let's say on September 3rd, the market price is 50k, which is lower than the linked reference price of 52k. Then the interest will be paid out in BTC. If the market price is above 52k, however, then your investment will be converted to USDT plus the interest. The annualized rate of return will stay the same regardless of whichever payout. Let's quickly log in the APY by confirming our purchase. As you can see, the minimum investment is 0.1 BTC. It also indicates the interest will earn if the market price or settlement price by the maturity date is lower or higher than the linked reference price. Let's confirm our return on investment by plugging the three components into this formula: the investment amount, the holding time, and the APY in decimal points. So far, so good. In the case that the market price exceeds the linked reference price on the maturity date, let's also do a quick calculation to confirm our return on investment when converted to USDT. Looks good as well. Now, I intentionally chose invest in BTC with the link price of 52k at a 5-day period because I've done some basic technical analysis on the BTC chart, and I strongly believe that BTC will not exceed 52k in the course of 5 days. Now that we purchased the product, here's where we can check our holdings. Simply click on My Holdings, and here's where we can check on the status of our BTC. Another way of checking our holdings is to proceed to Wallet, then Financial Account. Okay, so in 5 days our interest will arrive. Well, for me it's 5 days, but for you watching this video, it is literally moments away. And we're back. It has been 7 days. Let's check the chart for BTC and see where the price is at. Today's the 6th of September, but we only have to see what the highest price was in that 5-day period, which ended on the 3rd. 51,000, just perfect. Let's go back to our holdings page. Oh, it says investment recouped. Awesome. We've invested 0.1 BTC and received 0.100388904 in total. And best of all, it only took 5 days and 0 additional investment. This concludes the tutorial. If you have any questions, be sure to leave your comment below. To all you holders out there, thanks for watching, and to the moon we go!